Hi, my name is Monique Hilton, and this is my central line dressing change video for 366. Hi, my name is Monique. I will be your nurse today, and today we will be cleaning your central access site. So, I have my mask on. My patient already has on their mask, and this helps to reduce the spread of pathogens to the site once exposed. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the tegaderm, and then I'm going to inspect your site for any redness or swelling or excoriation. And I would like to make sure that the catheter is still intact, which it is. Okay. All right, so the catheter is still intact. There is no redness or excoriation. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my hands, and then I'm gonna gather my supplies. All right, so my patient, I don't know if I said this before, but my patient does have an allergy to chlorhexidine, so I'm going to be using alcohol, which is here in my supplies. So, using a circular motion outward. While that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the tubing. Sometimes this area is exposed to bacteria as well, and we would like to keep it clean, okay? All right. So then while that is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the tegaderm, which has the initials, date, and the time. All right, and that is dry. All right. All right, so this time, I'm going to get rid of all of my supplies and put them in the trash. And perform hand hygiene. Thank you very much for your time.